Hi Hawks, it's Miss Linde. We finally get to make those chocolate chip cookies. This is something you can do at home with a grown-up. It shows us how fractions and measuring are in the everyday life of baking. So the first thing I did was preheated my oven to 350 degrees. You might need help with your grown-up from home to do that. The next thing we're going to do is melt butter. We need 1/4 of a cup. So when you look at butter, it shows you how much butter. So 1/4 of a cup is half of a stick of butter. So I already melted my butter in here. Our next step is to mix the butters with sugar. So from halving our recipe, I know we need 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/8 cup of brown sugar. So I'm going to do the regular sugar first. And we need 1/4 cup. So I have my measuring cups here. You can find 1/4 the measurement on the cup itself. And then the brown sugar, we need 1/8 of a cup. 1/8 is smaller than 1/4. When working with brown sugar, you want to make sure that you push all of it in tightly. It's called packing. So I pushed down all the sugar inside of this. Now it's stuck. And then add the butter to that mix. And we need a 1/4 of a cup of butter. So I'm going to add that butter in. And stir all this up. Now it should look something like this. Our next step is to add flour. And I see that we need 7/8 cups of flour. So I have 1/8 cup, so I'm going to need 7 of these for the flour. One. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more, now 7. Now we're going to add the baking soda. We needed 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So teaspoons are small spoons, usually like this, and this says 1/4. And then salt. We need another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. we're gonna add an egg. We need half of an egg, so how I got half of an egg was I cracked one egg into this mug and scrambled it up, and then I poured about half into the sink to get rid of it. So when you finish mixing that, it should look something like this. And we're gonna add the vanilla extract. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon. I have half of a teaspoon, and I know 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole, so I'm going to use 2 half teaspoons to make 1. 1, and then 2. Stir this up one last time. And now we're ready for the best part, chocolate chips. We need half a cup of chocolate chips. Half of a cup. So we're going to stir these in gently. Next, you're going to get a baking tray. Spray it with some cooking spray, or you can use butter if you'd like. I like to use cooking spray. And we're going to make about this size round balls with the cookie dough and place it on the tray with about 2 inches between each circle. Alright, these are ready to go in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Voila! Isn't math fun?